Hello, welcome you all. Today I am going to present my IoT project, which is called Doorwatch, IoT-based real-time door monitoring system. My name is Semih Bahçı. I'm a senior student in Electrical and Electronics Engineering department. Let's start with project overview. Let's start with problem statement. Our problem is monitoring whether a door is open or closed remotely without human presence. Our proposed solution is using an ASP32 microcontroller with the ultrasonic sensor called HCSR04. What we did here is actually key design choices. Here we chose to use ESP32 microcontroller just as a Wi-Fi sensor transmitter. Everything operational, mathematical, code-based operations are happening in the PC side. Nothing is going on ASP32 except the sensor reading and raw sensor data transmission via MQTT protocol. Here, let's look closer to hardware components. There are basically two hardware components on this project. One of them is ASP32. It is a dual-core XRS LX6, 520 kilobyte SRAM, 4 megabyte flash. What we specifically chose ASP32 is it has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, which we can send raw data to our PC without a serial connection. We can do our data transmission over Wi-Fi by using MQTT protocol. Our second hardware is our ultrasonic sensors. It operates at the voltage level of 5 volt DC. It has a measurement range from 2 centimeters to 400 centimeters. Of course, the more range is more error. Accuracy in the good conditions is up to 3 millimeter. Here you see our wiring and electrical setup. Here actually only topic to talk about it here is to use voltage divider because ASP32 is working on logic level of 3.3 volts, but our sensor is working at 5 volts. So basically we needed a voltage divider to connect these two hardware in the logical level. That's why we use voltage divider. Now you see our system architecture. We have a sensor connected to ASP32 via trig and echo pins by using GPIO pins. And the ASP32 is connected to our PC, which runs Python GUI code over MQTT protocol. We connect ASP32 and the PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Then we start our MQTT protocol, and there we see our raw sensor data. Embedded software part, which we call ASP32 firmware. UC PC software part, where everything happens actually. We process the signal, we visualize the signal, and everything about the signal processing happens in the PC software part. Now we see our dashboard, which is our graphical user interface. On the top of the screen, you see our graph, how close the detected object to our sensor. On the middle of the screen, you see the visualization of the sensor with 3D dimensionally. At the bottom, you see like a 2D visualization of where we show the proximity of the detected object at the X and Y direction. What else we see? Door state. We see if it's open or not. We see our sensor metrics, how close the detected object. We see our event log. It's open at that time, it's closed at that time, etc. You see a live 2D chart. You see a 3D waterfall, which we see in the middle, and we visualize the arcs. Limitations and future work we will talk about here at this slide. For now, our limitation is within one door, nothing more. We now only can operate in local networks. We are so sensitive to environmental conditions because we have no isolator around the sensor. No persistent storage. We do not store anything in the PC as Excel file or Word file, whatever you can imagine. We do not record it. We only started see things and just passing by. For now, we are dependent only on PC. On any other electronic devices, we cannot visualize or see or connect to our ASP32 for anyway. What we try to improve in the future: multi-device support, cloud MQTT broker, mobile notifications, data logging and analytics, and anomaly detection. These are our future works which we hope to realize within time. And let's finish it with our conclusion. Doorwatch demonstrates a complete IoT sensing pipeline from raw hardware pulse measurements through wireless transmissions to real-time PC side signal processing. Thank you all for listening to me, and I hope you liked it. Bye bye.